What's up guys, another day, another car. So karong adlaw mag-release taw gusto ka unit all new 2026 Expander GLS automatic. Kaniya tong client is from Mandawi City, Cebu. So kuyugi gyapon ko ninyo sa akong vlog today. So hinaut ko mag-enjoy ra mo. So let's go. Salamat sa tanan nananaw sa akong video release karong adlaw. So hinaut ko kuyugan gyapon ko ninyo. Please like, share and follow on my page Mitsubishi Cebu Gateway, Talisay South. Basta Mitsubishi, Makiel Rivera. Happy client, happy Makiel.
Happy client, happy make your pizza